Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2008 Toyota Highlander, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we'll have to pop the hood. Find the latch, pull it. Secure the hood. Alright, so actually this is very simple. So here's our low beam light, and how do we remove this? Here's the bulb, we remove the connector, just pull it off, then we remove the rubber piece that goes around, just like this. Take it off, and then we are able to get to our bulb. So here we have a little lever, we press on it and move it to the side and take it out. Then we are able to get the bulb out. As you can see, super duper simple. Get replacement bulb, put it back in. I think this is H4 light. Okay, so just put it back in again. Alright, take your lever, put it here, secure it, take your rubber, close the lid and connect the connector like this. That's it, you are all set. As you can see, it's super simple. The turn signal is a little bit further in. It's a little bit different. You're just gonna take the bulb, spin it, pull it out and replace the bulb, then put the bulb in, spin it, and you are all set. Same thing is with the passenger side. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.